Good Thursday! What is this? This is my first carbon steel pan. I am not affiliated with Amazon. I will put a link to this pan below just because I think it's a really cool looking pan. But I'm not affiliated, I don't get kickbacks. Freaking heavy. It is called a BelleVie, and it is made in China. According to some, I don't have the best stove for carbon steel. I have an electric coil. Some people say they successfully season their pans on electric coils. I had a wide-ranging choice of pans. I could have gotten a Mineral B, a Debayer. I don't know how to pronounce it. Debayer? There are a lot of different pans. I liked the shape of this pan. I liked the handle was semi-low profile. Sometimes the handles are really high or shoot very high up in the air. If you're going to store it somewhere, you don't want the handle up here. Very much like a chef pan, slightly curved sides. In use for centuries, carbon steel cookware has stood the test of time. Okay, cool. Excellent heat conductor, suitable with, hey, I have fruit flies. Oven proof, broiler safe, non-coated, and if protected from rusting, lasts a lifetime. And so I saw this, it was only $22 shipped. Let's weigh it. That's 2 pounds and 12 ounces. Hey, fruit fly, look how thick that is. I think we're gonna try some scrambled, and we're gonna try sunny side up in an unseasoned carbon steel pan. Let's wash her up, let's dry her off, let's heat her up, let's make some eggs. Eggs are clean. Clean eggs. No iron. We made progress. I like pepper. Just a little bit of salt because of the cheese. Clean eggs! I tell you,